Found an FDM download file taking up space on your drive after a download went sideways? These temporary files hold incomplete data waiting to finish. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these partial downloads. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one FDM download file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. An FDM download file is a temporary, incomplete file created by Free Download Manager, FDM. Users encounter this file when a download is paused, interrupted, or still in progress. The primary user intent is to understand why the download is not complete and how to resume it using FDM to obtain the final file. This file acts as a placeholder and a data container for the downloaded segments. It is a binary file that stores the partially received data along with metadata, such as the source URL and download progress. This design allows FDM to efficiently resume interrupted downloads by requesting only the missing parts of the file. The FDM download format was designed to be handled by Free Download Manager from Free Download Manager ORE. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows sometimes preserves temp data until explicit cleanup occurs. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the FDM download file and hit Open With. Use Free Download Manager if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. The reason for the error is almost certainly the FDM download file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, resuming the download. Open Free Download Manager and locate the paused or interrupted download in the active queue. Right-click and select Resume to continue downloading from where it stopped. The FDM download file converts to its final format automatically, once the transfer completes successfully. Next, handling stalled downloads. If the source URL is no longer valid or returns errors, the FDM download file cannot complete. Right-click the failed download and select Properties to verify the source link, or paste an updated URL to redirect Free Download Manager to a working source. Finally, cleaning up orphans. Abandoned FDM download files are safe to delete if you no longer need the associated download. Use File Explorer to remove them directly or clear them through Free Download Manager settings to free disk space without affecting completed downloads in your library. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.